After Adamson rattled off 2 straight points, naka 2 straight din ang National University to get ahead 8-6 in set number 1 as we open up the volleyball tournament of season 75 of the UAAP. That's Myla Pablo. You saw her last season. Very good spiker para sa NU, but a service error there. If I'm not mistaken, tatlong service errors
three
na, no?
service errors already for the Lady Bulldogs.
And that accounts for 3 of the 7 points ng Adamson.
Well, at this point, the Lady Falcons should capitalize on the fact that the Lady Bulldogs are having a hard time putting in the services. Din Santiago, good save from the Lady Falcons.
NU tries again. They
Quick
go to Pau
attack,
Soriano. Here's Perez setting it up for Nepomuceno from the back row, and Nepomuceno didn't have her legs underneath her that time. Nepomuceno, last season was the focal point of the offense of NU. Now her touches are divided because obviously Din Santiago will get majority of those.
We can actually see the defense of the Lady Falcons focus on Din Santiago at the front. Good block from Pau Soriano. Din Santiago, the height really does wonders for this lady. You know how tall she is. She doesn't really have to jump that high.
What is she, 6'3"?
I would say, yeah.
Mga 6'3", ano?
Yeah, around that much. So just a little hop from her. And look at the long arms.
Tingkad na nga, hindi na kailangan tumalon, ano? Pineda.
Good block, Santiago.
That's going to be tough to get through those. Nepomuceno, Santiago block. Take a look here.
Pineda, no other way. Well, she could have gone down the line because Kai Nepomuceno has this gap at her right side.
10 serving 8.
It's Perez for the serve. Good service this time.
National University really working on their serves. And I remember last season, that was one of their problems, was service errors.
Service errors,
Throughout
yes.
the season yun, nakikita mo naman, mapapakamutan na si Coach Francis Vicente. But this season, maganda ang
Yes.
ano nila, no?
That's right.
They've given up 3 service errors, but, I mean, we're at 11-8 already, as you saw that last point. Missing 3 out of 11, not really that bad.
Perez again for the serve. This time it's good. They go to Pineda at the back, who's blocked. Good coverage from the Lady Falcons. Good effort.
NU now starting to pull away as they develop a 4-point lead. Timeout is called by Adamson. We'll listen in.
Tumawin mo yung bola, hindi paluin mo lang agad. Nandun yung block eh. Talunan mo sa taas. Isa-isa lang. Save lang muna tayo. Save lang, May. Save mo lang. Iganon mo lang. Hindi kayo naririnig. Laksan niyo yung boses niyo para magkarinigan kayo. Tara, isa lang, isa.
Former assistant, now head coach Sherwin Meneses calling the shots para sa Lady Falcons. And a little bit more communication he wants on the floor. And agahan lang yung pagtalon sa net because they're there. They're just late by a few seconds.
Yes. Well, actually, at the start of this set, we can see that Adamson's a little bit erratic. You know, not fluid movements we've been seeing so far. But then again, baka nga naman nag-warm up eh. You know? So, Pau Soriano with a strong hit.
That's something Adamson needs. Really potent offense because most of their points coming from errors galing sa National University.
Well, I can see here, this is going to be the battle of the middle blockers for both of these teams.
Good serve.
Soriano jaws at the net.
Won by Santiago Villanueva. So 2 straight points off the offensive end para sa Lady Falcons.
Villanueva just sending it safely over. And he was actually anticipating a strong hit that time. Good
Nice serve.
serve from Pineda. Nepomuceno sends it outside, but there was a touch at the net from the Lady Falcons. That's the second net violation error committed by the Lady Falcons.
Lucky break for NU. As Nepomuceno has been off the mark. 2 striking errors so far para kay Kai Nepomuceno. Jump serve para kay Dindin Santiago.
Mind you, Dindin Santiago is one of the best servers for the Lady Bulldogs. Mga floater services, yun ang mahihirap kunin eh. Another service for Dindin Santiago. Oh, this time sends it to the net. I jinxed it. I'm sorry.
They could have gone for a 5-point lead
Yeah.
that time.
Again, service error for the Lady Bulldogs. If this goes on, I know what Coach Francis will be focusing on in the next few trainings.
Nice block at the net by Soriano and Villanueva. It's Dindin with a floater right there. Ito naman si Villanueva. Blocked.
Block.
4 touches against Adamson.
Villanueva.
That's
Yes.
1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's the 4th touch.
Yeah. It was good effort though for the coverage for the Lady Falcons. But sometimes, these happens eh. You lose count.
Oh, in that effort,
Yeah.
that drive para maibalik yung bola as Villanueva gets rejected again, this time from the other side of the net. So the defense in the middle by NU holding very strong here in set number 1 as they go up 16-11. Kit Kat break muna. Get ready for what's next. Have a break, have a Kit Kat.